Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the internal speaker, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the internal speaker and disconnect the cables to remove it from the system. To reinstall the internal speaker, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Place the side cover back on the device and tighten the screws to secure it. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.